Hello children, welcome to your online class of HST. Today we are going to discuss lesson 14, means of communication. Communication has always been important for humans. Though all living beings communicate in some or the other form, human beings can speak and express themselves. In the long history of human evolution, communication has come a long way. There was a time when humans were dependent on gestures. They were totally dependent on gestures and could make some grunting noises to express themselves. With the help of information technology today, sending texts, pictures, and documents to people on the other side of the globe is as easy as sitting in front of someone. Invention of sign language. Sign language was the beginning of communication for humankind. Early communication began with simple gestures and signals, sounds to indicate happiness, sorrow, delight, and urgency were the very first forms of oral communication. Development of language. Man slowly and gradually invented a few specific sound arrangements to express particular objects and situations. This led to the development of dialects. Invention of writing. The practice of writing began with human depicting objects in the form of symbols. Later, these were refined into letters and words. Although they were very different in various parts of the world, they developed almost simultaneously, sending messages far and wide. पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन. पहले जो लोग हमसे दूर रहते थे उन्हें मैसेज सेंड करना बहुत ही मुश्किल काम था. दिस वाज बिकॉज messengers had to be sent for this purpose and it took a lot of time for the message to reach its destination. In some parts of the world, trained pigeons were used to send messages. Invention of the postal system. With complex administrative systems, a need arose for a more sophisticated network that could deliver messages at a faster pace. As a result, postal service came into existence. The postal system facilitates sending of letters, postcards, and parcels at a very nominal charge. Telegraph system. Samuel Morse and his assistant Alfred Vail developed a device known as electrical telegraph in 1838. With the help of this device, coded signals could be sent far and wide. Teleprinter. The governments and the corporate organizations needed a faster medium of message transmission. Thus came the teleprinters. They could send and receive messages in text format as soon as they were relayed. Telephone. As a communication device, telephone needs no introduction today. It enables two users to connect through telephone systems and communicate easily without the barriers of distance. This technology was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. Today, a more technologically advanced device called mobile phone or cellular phone is in use. It is not bound by the wires. This portable device now comes with many advanced features and can work almost like a computer. A fax machine is an extension of a telephone. It is used for transmitting printed material. Age of Information Technology. Computers have changed the whole idea of information flow today. Once a computer is connected to network systems like intranet or internet, all the users linked to the network get interconnected. Intranet. Intranet is a closed group computer network system which is used by various organizations through internet protocol technology. Through it, they can share data and any other information within a group. Banks, railways, and various other big organizations use this system. Internet. Internet is a system that connects computers to a global network system. This system is very wide and gives access to information on a very large scale. It connects to the World Wide Web and the user can perform a variety of tasks through this. Some of these are going to be discussed by me. Email. It is an electronic mail system that helps a person to send the mails to the intended users. One can send emails such as text messages, pictures, or any other document. It is cheaper and faster than other means of communication. Video conferencing. Through this, the user can chat and see people around the globe connected to the system. Flow of information. Internet today is the biggest channel for the unhindered flow of information around the world. Today, no information is bound by regional frontiers and barriers of language. After the breakthrough of internet, any information in the public domain is now just a click away. Networking sites. Today, there are many social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, etc., which provide a platform for people to connect with each other. Mass communication. To communicate with a larger group of people, we need to have a greater medium of communication. Hence, the medium of mass communication came into existence. The various mediums of mass communication are newspapers, magazines, radio, television, cinema, and advertisement. Recently, the internet has emerged not only as a strong medium of personal communication but also as an effective tool of mass communication. Newspapers. Newspapers have been a very old and powerful medium of reaching the masses. Newspapers have helped in spreading the messages of thinkers, philosophers, and revolutionaries to the common people. They serve as a tool to keep people informed about the recent events. Most newspapers are circulated daily and carry a wide variety of information relating to nation, business, sports, and entertainment. Magazine. Magazines are mostly a collection of related information about a particular interest. Thus, there are magazines on fashion, politics, entertainment, etc. They are usually printed on periodic basis and in many languages. Radio. Radio is an audio device which caters to a wide range of audience. It was invented by Marconi in 1886. Radio has been a great source of entertainment and information for the rural and urban population alike. Television. The invention of television changed the way of accessing news and entertainment. It presented news and entertainment in audio-visual format. It was invented by John Baird in 1926. Television has seen many transformations during the course of time. Earlier, it was a big bulky device showing pictures in black and white. But today, it presents pictures in high definition quality and great audio. Cinema. Cinema relays messages related to society, culture, and various other themes concerning the people. It is a public medium which presents entertainment and knowledge in an audio-visual mode just like television. It has been providing entertainment to people for a very long time now and has become a full-fledged industry. It brings people from different walks of life together. Advertisement. Advertisement is a way to publicize a product in such a way that people get interested in buying it. This medium has been the most creative medium of mass communication because it has always required innovation and thought. It is used to sell products and ideas to the public. Advertisements are present everywhere in newspapers, magazines, radio, television, the internet, etc. Governments and various departments advertise about many welfare policies to make people aware of them. Thank you, children. This lesson has been completed. Bye bye. Take care.